This is the coffee jungle juice. Hallelujah. Are you ready to make this drink?
Yes, we are.
Let's do it. All right, homeboy. We are back the way it used to be because we've been gone for a while. But the Lord has made it that we're back here again with many tales to tell that I'm going to tell you someday as to why I went back to this format, okay?
Yes, Jesus.
So live and direct all the way from deep in Russia, okay?
Hallelujah.
When she ain't hacking your email, she's here making drinks, okay?
Lord.
It'll get in here, okay?
Lord.
Dun, 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 dun.
All the way from Moscow, okay?
Not true.
Lord.
Next up, we have deep from within Africa, okay? On the Serengeti.
Hallelujah!
Is that racist? Is that
Sarangani.
I don't know. I have no idea what's happening.
Africa.
all the way from Zimbabwe.
We back, everyone!
Okay. We back.
Do I have to hug him though? I'm not ready for that.
Yeah, I'm ready
you
for that.
Write
either.
that in for me.
Okay. Okay, so we will look at this Wakanda look.
We're gonna work like this today.
Okay, homeboy. All right, you all know what we making? This has never
no.
been done before in the history of the world.
This jungle juice?
It ain't no regular jungle juice. This is a coffee jungle juice.
No.
Okay?
Ooh.
Ain't no juice in this jungle. Anyway, this
Get
is
ready
a
to
coffee
sit on your toilet.
jungle. What?
Because coffee makes you very, diuretic.
Okay, how many of these bottles can you hold?
I can do 4.
Not really. You kind
You
of
mean
look
when
like
she
you're struggling.
pours it?
Yes.
Oh, I can do 3.
Let's see you go up. Let's just take a practice run. Go up, go high. Go high. Go slow. Okay, now come down.
Oh, those
okay.
Russian muscles.
Ready? Let's see you
My
do
tiny
4.
little muscles.
I can only do 2.
Okay, Jesus.
Okay.
Okay.
Are they gonna be this full? I have weak arms.
Okay. Let's
Me
see.
too.
Okay, go up. Up.
Come on.
Okay, hold on. Just
I
give it
wanna
to-
break
just
my
give it to-
nails.
just give it to- Okay, hold on. Just tell them what we got. Okay, so guys, what we putting in this, we have.
forgot.
Let's give it a 2 Russian juices.
got some cheap
Okay.
sauce.
Okay.
So hold them up. And then we'll be pouring 2 Russian juices.
Vodka.
Brittany will have.
Amaretto.
Yeah. You will have 2 Irish creams.
Nice.
I have 2 Irish creams because I'm Irish. Lucky Charms. Come on.
It sounded very Caribbean, man. Jamaica.
I have amaretto. I have coffee liqueur, rum chata,
Rum Chata ta.
and fireball. Okay.
Fire! Sorry. I tried to say something smart.
Go ahead, Zeno. Say something smart. Come on, waiting. Go ahead.
Fire.
According to the principles of scientific discoveries of, I don't know.
Scientology?
No.
Oh.
Yes, this is Scientology drink. Okay, it's called Going Clear. All right, listen. Okay. Now, if my calculations are correct, this should work. Okay.
Probably not correct.
Probably not correct, but whatever. We drink it anyway. Okay.
Plastic on it.
Everything he calculates, he does it.
Are you good, math? Are you good, math?
I'm really good at math. Actually,
Okay, 972.6
no, I'm not that good at math.
plus 972.5.
Oh, sh.
That is
It's
19,
19,
40,
42,
44.
50,
No,
52.
1945.2.
Okay, I don't have a calculator, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone do it. Someone do it. I got a phone.
But wait, but if she's right, way to break that stereotype. Okay? That's right. That's what I'm saying. Black people can't do math, I hope. Okay? Just
Going
double
into
check
the
that.
calculator. 972.6 times 2, right?
No, I said
almost
972.6 plus 972.5.
1945.
Oh, I didn't hear the 5. I did 0.6.
Oh, you did 0.6. Okay.
Almost. We almost got it.
I got it.
Way to change that number to make
I
it
did
look right.
972.6
Yeah, way to change the numbers.
plus 972.6, 1945.2.
Okay.
What's up? Black people can add. Yes, take that, Asia.
Wow.
Why are you picking on Asians?
Well, because they're considered to be.
By the way, we got an
smartest.
Asian over here holding the camera, okay? So it's not racist.
Yay!
It's not racist once there's an Asian in the
We're
room.
just international.
Okay. So we can pour high in a nice slow stream. Let it flow, okay? It's
Okay.
like pissing after a long night of drinking beer.
I like
okay?
flowy
You
streams.
ever went peeing and you go,
I
that's
like
what we're
flowy
looking for.
streams.
Can we start with the word of Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space?
What?
Поехали. It means like let's go. To
Поехали.
space.
Okay,
Okay.
cool. I love these exotic Russian terms and nobody
Okay.
knows. Okay, ready? Okay, so we start slow, get all of us same time.
Let's-
Okay, I can go higher than you guys. So you ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Okay, so nice slow pour. Let's go. Together. Now come up. Come up. Don't let it spill everywhere. Control your stream. It shouldn't be splashing everywhere. You want a nice, steady stream.
You're so late.
You're a guy. You got it nailed over the years.
Yes.
Rum Chata.
It looks disgusting.
It looks like Sky's baggage.
What the hell is my baggage?
You know those baggage that be swimming? And then a couple thousand millions of them die, but one only makes it.
Why you gotta be so dirty, man?
That's just how my mind works.
I know, you need Jesus, girl.
I have Jesus.
Okay.
You know, Inessa, he's the sexiest man alive.
Oh,
I
Jesus.
think so, guys.
Okay, got the spoon.
He can rock a man bun,
Okay.
and he has surfer's hair.
With Jesus?
Yeah.
He can do magic with his
He's the sexiest
hands.
man alive. That smells so good.
It does smell good, right?
Like cold soup.
Okay, homeboys. Grab yourself a coffee.
I'm a girl. I'm a girl.
Ready?
I think it's good without coffee already.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go.
Wow. It's the most enormous amount of coffee I've ever seen in my life. And in
Is
a
this
plastic
decaf or
tub.
caffeinated?
It's kind of.
He's like, I got a little bit more left, girl. Lay down on your back.
Shut up.
Shade up? Do you say shade up?
You should like night it.
Yeah, go ahead. Do it the Russian way.
I don't know.
Okay.
There's the only way.
Let me try and
Do you like
just.
ice?
I'll translate for you, okay? Hold on.
I night you, Sir Bailey's. I night you, Sir Nasty Drink. I mean, good drink we're about to
Okay.
drink. You are the night. You
Okay,
are-
listen. I'll say it in English and you just say it in Russian, okay? Okay?
Do we pray?
Oh, great Vladimir Putin.
Дорогой Владимир Владимирович, Путин,
We present this drink to you,
мы представляем вам этот напиточек.
just hoping that this will satisfy you.
That's funny. Who do you think he is?
Just-
Okay. Надеюсь, что он вам очень понравится.
And stay the hell out of our goddamn election. Go ahead.
Пожалуйста, ну не трогайте наши выборы.
If there is truly a P-tape,
Питей?
P-tape.
Если видео того, как Дональд Трамп...
Keep going, okay? Keep going. Okay,
Если-
just translate.
Если видео определенного политика, который... Ну, вы знаете, который что делает на видеозаписи, существует.
I ain't say all that shit, but I'll roll with it. Okay? I want a coffee because I got to see this shit. Woo! Okay?
Мы все хотим небольшую копию, чтобы мы тоже посмотрели.
Да.
In conversation, I have heard.
Do you understand that I will never get a green card after this? Okay? Like it's supposed to come, I'm waiting for it, and there's a reason why it's not coming, because of you!
Just do the goddamn thing, okay?
Wait, I'm supposed to try it?
No, you're supposed to stir it.
I thought you were knighting it.
I was supposed to knight it.
Yeah, you really
And
did.
you're supposed to assist me.
Okay, look here. How about stir it? How about let's stir, okay? Get a nice
How
flow.
did that was
Now
different
watch
from my
this,
like
watch
style?
chocolate
this,
milk.
watch this. Now it's gonna start to move.
Is it really? Is your arms getting tired? You're sweating now.
This is how he
So
works
workout?
out. That's how he gets his guns. Can you see him flexing?
Stop touching my nipples, boy. Okay, so I'm coming with a little scoop. Okay, put
Yours is dirty?
Put your glass.
You gave her
Sheena
dirty
just
glass.
cleaned that. Sheena just cleaned that actually. Put your glass over. Sheena,
Yeah.
Sheena, you wanna say something about that?
Sheena,
Don't put your glass in the goddamn soup, okay?
it's a coffee soup. Wow.
Okay, hold tight now. Hold tight.
Oh, it's so hot? Oh,
Yes.
there was no ice in there.
Okay, come on.
Boil, no trouble.
Don't run from the damn thing, woman. If you're
It's
afraid.
hot and you're not a good pour.
Fear not, for thou art with thee. Okay, hold tight now. So put your cups over that. Hang your cups over that. We're not done.
When's the best time to drink this, Sky?
When the best time to what?
In the morning, when you have a hangover. It will wake you up and help you with a hangover.
Okay, hold tight. I'm coming.
Also, if you feel bloated,
Okay,
because
hold
it
on.
has an enormous amount of coffee. Oh,
Okay.
You're used to that, aren't you? Ah.
Okay.
can we put a little one on you?
Can we focus on the goddamn drink, okay? These people got shit to do. Do not move it yet. I'm not done.
Can I put one on you? I think it would look good.
Okay, hold tight. Now we come behind that with some Hershey's chocolate. Okay. Oh, come over to the center because I don't want this to go everywhere.
Can I have a little? Just a little. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's get someone in this. Okay.
And it
Yeah.
loves chocolate, everything.
I'll burn it out.
Chocolate.
I started working out, guys, again.
Really?
I totally was not. I just got a little sloppy and
Okay.
It's like
All right.
clumsy.
Hold on. We have a little bit of flakes here. Ooh, look at that flaky. All right.
yeah,
And there you have it.
I definitely need some coffee now.
The coffee jungle juice. Go ahead. Take a little sip.
Cheers, gorgeous.
Cheers.
So good to see you.
Cheers, beautiful Russian.
It's been a
You
while.
can't be slamming no coffee mug. We
Oh,
trying to
I think
break-
I broke it.
Broke my goddamn mug. Go
Oh
ahead.
no, I didn't.
Okay, take a little sip.
Why are you so ratchet? Can I add some whipped cream for you?
Holy Christ.
Wait, my finger, this finger is not as strong as this one. Wow.
Okay, not that much whipped cream.
There's a lot of liquor in here. Who are we giving this to?
You're a present for me.
Who's taking a little bit of this?
Should we put some chocolate chips on
No,
here?
you shouldn't put no down chocolate. You do it this strong.
That's, you know, he's like the guy from In Living Color, right? Damian Wayans when he had the little hat on his head.
And we're back with our normal type of episode when we actually fun.
Yeah, we're
Hold it up so they can see it.
What is that?
Are you really gonna eat all that whipped cream? People starving in goddamn Africa. Are you really gonna eat all that whipped cream? That's what my parents would ask me.
I don't think if you feed people in Africa whipped cream, it's gonna help them. It's actually gonna create some serious diarrhea of Africa, you know?
Okay, well, we can cut that part. Guys, so this drink is perfect for if you had a really heavy night of drinking
Like you.
and you're hungover
Like you.
and you want to keep the party going. Let's do it.
Unlike you.
I'm like you.
Woo! Stay tipsy,
this.
my
I
friends.
needed this.
Stay tipsy.